Hey everyone, and welcome to EdTech Hustle. Today we're going to learn how you can animate any still photo, turn that into a video using Google AI Studio. So the first place that you'll want to go to is aistudio.google.com. This is completely free, and you can use this with any Google account. Now, once you're here, what you're going to want to do is to go over to the side and select this option that says Generate Media. From here, what we're going to do is to choose Veo right in the middle of the screen here. All right, so from here, we can animate videos. In fact, I created an entire video, which was a reimagining of Rikki Tikki Tavi by Rudyard Kipling. You can check that out on my channel. But what we want to do today is upload a photo, add a prompt, and then bring that still image to life. So what I'm going to do is to upload this photo. I'm just going to click this button. And I'm going to choose this stock photo from Canva, which I've used before in several different thumbnails. So from here, it's just this teacher against a blackboard. What I want to do is have this teacher take out a phone and start texting someone. Okay, so here's my prompt. Let me go ahead and run. And in just a few seconds, Google Veo is going to take this photo, look at my prompt, and turn that into a video. All right, about 30 seconds later, this is finished. Let me go ahead and play. There's our teacher taking out a phone. There he is texting someone, and he's smiling and having a really good time. Okay, so once that is finished, we can either click this button to watch it in a full screen, or we can select this button to download the actual file. Of course, since this is Google, we can also export this file to our Google Drive. So just one really quick way that you can take a photo and animate it. So let's try again. So I'm using another stock photo right over here, which again comes from Canva. Now, what I do want to show you right over to the right side of the screen is some of the different options. So what I generated previously was a 16:9 video. Of course, you can change that to 9:16 if you want. You can also adjust the duration. It looks like between 5 and 8 seconds. There's not many options in terms of the resolution and frame rate. You are kind of stuck. And of course, if you know anything about prompting, you can also add a negative prompt to this as well. But now that I have my photo here, I am going to have this woman put on a bright red clown wig and start dancing. So I'm going to hit run, and in about 30 seconds, we'll see how this video turns out. Okay, here we go. Now let me go ahead and play this video. There's our woman, there's the clown wig, and there she is dancing. Now, we didn't actually see her put that clown wig on, but some things you'll notice which look pretty cool is that not only kept that one shot, but it also kind of just cut to different scenes. We saw 3 different scenes cut to right here. And of course, I could then regenerate this if I wanted to. But that's it. If you have an image and you want to be able to take an image and generate it into a video doing something unusual, you can do that with Veo in Google AI Studio. So go ahead, give it a try. It's just aistudio.google.com. You can generate your own video from images. So I'm hoping that this video was helpful for you. If it was, please go ahead and give it a like, leave a comment. If you could subscribe, that would be awesome as well. So thank you so much, and have a great day.